Good morning, everybody. It's Martha Phil here with Remax Southern Shores. We just want to show you our newest listing here in Wynbrooke in Murrells Inlet. This is our unit in front of me here, but I just want to kind of give you a feel for the neighborhood. So I'm standing here in the parking lot, but it's really a very pretty area. We're right off of Tournament Boulevard in Wynbrooke, all townhomes. And straight across the street. Now go over there is where the pool is, but I'll show you that in a minute as soon as we get, after we go inside. But this is our unit right here, 808. So we're gonna go in and take a look. So here we are at the front of our townhome. This is 808 Wilshire Lane. Really sweet, nice little front porch. You can just sit out here and kind of watch the world go by. Nice private little front porch. And just take a look straight across the way. And as we come in the front door, your kitchen is right here. This backsplash is fabulous. All new appliances. The stove actually has an air fryer setting to it, which is really neat. I haven't seen one of those actually. But very nice kitchen. Love the counter. Love the sink on the corner. We have a great pantry here. We have a half bath also, which is on this first floor. And you have your eat-in area right here. And then we move into the living room with your big TV. And then we go out onto the porch. So here we have our screen porch. We have a lot of storage shelves, which is great. We've got a lot of place to put things. All kinds of storage shelves, which are super. And nice area to sit and wait. Sit and enjoy the afternoon. A little storage closet. Porch out in the back. Beautiful pond. Just listen to the funds. Very nice. So you can take a look again. Now we'll go upstairs and take a look. All right, so we've just come upstairs. We've got LVP flooring upstairs. Your washer and dryer is back behind these doors. And then you have one bedroom here, again with new LVP flooring in the bedroom. Large closet. Large double closet here. Lots of space. And each bedroom has its own bath with a tub shower. And this bedroom has the view of the pond in the back. Very pretty. Then as we walk across the hall, then we go to our second bedroom. Again, new LVP flooring here, and beautiful bedroom here. Same thing, 2 double closets here. And TV up on the wall. And here's your second bath. Very nice. Beautiful unit, listed at $240,000. So to find a unit this nice for under $250,000, I think is a real treat. Any questions, please give us a call. We'll be glad to arrange some showings for you. And here's the pool at Wynbrooke. It's a beautiful day. Sorry there's nobody here today. Well, maybe it's just as well. We can get a much better view. But it really is it's a big pool. And goes up to 5 feet. All kinds of umbrellas. So it's very, very nice. Great unit, great neighborhood, and a nice pool too. Have a great day.